Today's topic is about parts of speech. Fine. A part of speech is a particular grammatical class of word. Hope you know very well sentences. Yes, sentences are made up of words. A sentence can be made up of any number of words. Okay, so parts of speech indicates how the word functions in meaning as well as grammatically within the sentence. So, parts of speech to which a word belongs guides its use in a sentence and defines the correct word order and punctuation. So, अगर parts of speech जो इनके जो words के जो role होते हैं, fine, it helps us to understand the sentences and also to construct them properly. So, there are total 8 parts of speech, and they are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Nouns are words that are used to name persons, things, animal, place, ideas or events. So in a simple sentence I want to just tell about noun that all naming words are nouns. So students, you know very well that हर चीज़ के कुछ ना कुछ नाम होते हैं. Yes, तो कोई animal हो, person हो, कोई चीज़ हो. So every हर चीज़ को नाम होता है. So that is what a name is. तो जो naming words है, that is known as a noun. For example, here I have given Rahul. So Rahul is a boy. Fine. Cars एक vehicle का नाम है. Toys, Raigad, it's a name of a district. Happiness एक feeling है. Yes. Birthday, gold, anger. So all these are names. Pronouns are the words that take place of noun in sentences. Fine. So nouns and pronouns both are same. Okay. So a pronoun is a substitute word used for a noun to avoid repetition. So बार बार हम noun repeat नहीं कर सकते, किसी का नाम बार बार ले नहीं सकते, तो instead of that we are using pronoun. Okay. So for example here, I, he, she, it, you, we, are, they, us, his. So ये सारे pronoun हैं. Pronoun. Fine. Verbs are words that show the action or state of being of the subject in a sentence. Fine. So verb denotes an action. एक एक्शन वर्ड होता है दस यू नो वेरी वेल अबाउट दैन एक्शन, जैसे कि डांस, राइड्स, ओके, स्लीपिंग और कुक, वॉचिंग, ये सारे एक्शन हैं. ओके, एक्शन को ही हम वर्ब कहते हैं. एंड बिसाइड अदर एक्चुअली आई मेंशन ओवर दैट और स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट इन अ सेंटेंस. इट मीन्स दैट स्टेट वर्ब जो होते हैं ये इट एक्सप्रेसेस अ सिचुएशन that I will just explain you afterwards. Okay, so यहाँ पर एक जो examples दिए हैं, जैसे कि rides, watching, are, has, have, was, is, dance, shouting, run, ये सारे ही ये verbs है. They are known as a verbs. Now about the rides means what? He writes a letter. Okay, watching यानी कि वो action क्या कर रहे हैं? That they are watching movies. Fine, they are watching movies. Are, has, ये सारे हैं, they are known as a helping verbs as well as the linking verbs. Fine, helping और linking verbs होते हैं. There are different kinds of verbs. Okay, so as I told you that in my other, I'm going to make other video for my verb and all its kinds. So in that you will clearly understand. Okay, so verb means what? Action or state of being. Now next one is adjective. Adjectives are used to describe nouns or pronoun. So adjective से क्या describe करता है? Noun. So noun जैसे कि मैंने कहा था कि names of any things बोलो, person बोलो, fine, उनके बारे में describe करता है. They can specify the quality, quantity, size, color, shape, appearance of nouns or pronoun. Nouns as well as pronoun. जैसे कि मैंने कहा था कि nouns और pronouns दोनों same हैं. That's why ये adjective describe करता है nouns और pronoun. Fine. For example, beautiful, few, sun, 5, third, square, blue, large, honest, smart. ये सारे examples हैं adjectives के. Just like beautiful. If I'm going to take example of this, she wears a beautiful sari. So यहाँ पर noun is what? Sari. Okay. साड़ी कैसी है? ब्यूटीफुल. ओके, आई हैव फ्यू चॉकलेट्स विथ मी. फ्यू, सो चॉकलेट्स नाउन है, तो हाउ मेनी, कितने चॉकलेट्स हैं? फ्यू. फाइन. देन शी गॉट थर्ड रैंक. ओके, शी गॉट थर्ड रैंक. सो यहाँ पर नंबर जो क्वांटिटी में डिस्क्राइब करते हैं, क्वांटिटी ऑल्सो. सो थर्ड, और स्क्वायर, द केक इज इन स्क्वायर शेप, केक कैसा है, स्क्वायर शेप में. सो ऑल दीज डिस्क्राइब समथिंग अबाउट द नाउन्स, दे आर नोन एज अ एडजेक्टिव. Adverbs are used to describe adjectives, verbs or other adverb. So in the word adverb में ही it shows ये verbs के बारे में additional information देते हैं, but not only verbs के अलावा it also describe about adjectives and also other adverbs. Now what are they? Just have a look. For example, bravely, today, already, everywhere, never, always, now, there, loudly, quickly, etc. Now if I want to just explain in sentence, see, he quickly, if I will just give you other example, he quickly finished his work. So in how he finished his work, उन्होंने कैसे work finished किया, quickly. Yes, in what manner, quickly. Okay, she speaks loudly. How she speaks, loudly. Fine. If I want to just add a few sentences like God is everywhere. Okay, where is God? Okay, where is God? Everywhere. It tells us about the place, everywhere. Fine. You must start the work now. Now, जो now है ये adverb है. You must start the work now. Okay, so it informs that time of action. Okay, when you have to start your work now. Okay, so like these are adverbs. Bravely, today. Now we'll do the next and sixth one, preposition. Preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show time, place, position, direction. Okay, so position, नाउन के बारे में पोजिशन बताता है, वेयर इट इज़, अप, डाउन, हियर, देयर, इनसाइड, आउटसाइड, अराउंड, बिहाइंड. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल यहाँ पे दिया है नियर, एट, इन, ऑन, अंडर, बिटवीन. ये सारे एग्जांपल्स इफ आई वांट टू जस्ट एक्सप्लेन इन सेंटेंस, आई एम स्टैंडिंग नियर द बोर्ड. सो वेयर आई एम स्टैंडिंग, कहाँ पर है, वेयर द, मेरा पोजिशन कहाँ पर है, नियर द बोर्ड. फाइन. ही इज़ इन द ऑफिस. वेयर इज़ ही, in the office. Fine. So all these, it shows, it tells about the position, direction, place. A conjunction. Conjunction is a word that joins words or sentences together. For example, and, but, so, because, or, yet, for, until, etc. So in sentence here, like Rahim and Ram are my friends. Okay, यहाँ पे जो दो वर्ड्स रहीम और राम, ये जो दो अलग है, बट एंड की वजह से वो एक सेंटेंस में फॉर्म हुए हैं. रहीम एंड राम आर माई फ्रेंड्स. अदर सेंटेंस, ही वॉन्टेड टू प्ले बट हिज सिस्टर वॉन्टेड टू वॉच टीवी. सो यहाँ पे दो सेंटेंस है. ही वॉन्टेड टू प्ले, उसे खेलना है, बट हिज सिस्टर, लेकिन हिज सिस्टर वॉन्टेड टू वॉच टीवी. सो बट की वजह से, बिकॉज ऑफ बट इज अ कंजंक्शन, एंड because of but what happened, it joins the two sentences together. Fine. Okay, so next sentence, like your father or your mother may sign the progress report. So यहाँ पर option दी है your father or your mother. So or is a conjunction. Fine. So your conjunction means what? Conjunctions are the linking words. They join words or sentences. Next, and the last one is interjection. An interjection is a word that expresses some sudden feeling or emotion. Fine. जो interjection है ये हमारे यानी कि it shows sudden feelings of joy, sorrow, hatred, approval, surprise. Okay, और to attract attention के लिए. So that is known as interjection. Now for example यहाँ पर दिया है मैंने oh, well, wow, alas, hurrah. So all these are examples है interjections के. So if you see while writing about this interjection, जब हम लिखते हैं at that time, interjection जैसे कि wow, उसके बाजू में हमेशा एक exclamatory mark होता है. So it means that ये जितने भी जो words है interjection, they are also known as a exclamation. Fine, they are known as a exclamation. Okay, so interjection यानी कि wow, alas, only वहाँ तक उसे हम interjection कहेंगे. That is a word, that is an interjection. But जब हमें express करते हैं sentence, wow, what a beautiful saree. Fine. So wow के बाद में जो sentence है, then उसे हम कहेंगे with interjection. They are known as an exclamatory sentence. Okay, so a sentence with an interjection is called an exclamatory sentence. Hope you understand all these parts of speech: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, interjection, conjunction.